Well, I was gonna do a little bit of a more in-depth review after I'd had a chance to use this thing for a little bit, but I actually have a little project to do. I need to grind out a little bit of this channel just to make it fit where I need it. So we're gonna unbox it and check it out right now. So this is the TOOLSPACE 12-volt cordless mini grinder. I had a old Dremel tool that I was using that was a plug-in tool, and it decided to die on me. So I thought a cordless version would be kind of fun, and hopefully I've had need to have a little bit more mobility with it. So it does come in this nice case. It's got a latching lock. Looks like a little zip tie, so I'll have to grab something to kill that. Alright. Sorry for the state of things in the shop. It's been a very busy month, I don't know. Busy. Alright, so a little zip tie, pull that off. Hopefully just the one, I think. And some tape along the side. Okay, there we go. So we'll open it up. So in the box, we've got, oh, that's in there. Alright, so there's some little plastic tabs that hold everything. So it does seem to hold in there pretty tightly. That's great. So multi-tool, it's got some over-molded rubber, which is nice. Feels good in the hand. Looks like it's got a lockable chuck. So with a single finger, you can push and hold this. There it goes. Yeah, it locks. So that's nice. Makes changing tools a little bit easier. You do get some interchangeable chucks, as well as some various cutters and sanders and some different polishing tools. On the control, looks like 6 is the highest. 3, 2, down to 1. So that's pretty good. That's easy enough. USB-C charger, which is super nice. I've got a couple of those in the shop already for laptops and phones and stuff, so that's good. Let's see if it's got any juice out of the box. Oh, that's pretty good. Battery indicator there. So I'm in the green, so it does come fully charged. Pretty quiet motor overall. 6. There we go, fully on 6. Well, it seems pretty good. It's pretty lightweight. Like I said, it does fit in the hand pretty good, so that'll be good. So basically all I need to do is I need to take and I need to cut these just out a little bit more so that I can get some screws going in. So I don't think I'll do that on video, but I'll probably put a couple pictures of how it went, and I'll put the description in the review. So overall, yeah, the tool itself looks good. The bits look great. I've got some other cutters from my Dremel, so they all look like they'll be usable, so that's perfect. So I'll get to cutting this and we'll see how it goes. Okay.
Hi, I just want to give you a quick live look of the TOOLSPACE electric engraver pen. It's a multi-function cordless precious engraver with 4 triangular carbon steel bits in it. It's ideal for detail metal, glass, ceramic, plastic, jewelry, engraving, and it comes even with these little things to start you off, and if you're pretty handy you can almost do anything. But it's easy operation, tree speed, it's lightweight, it's cooling system, and be sure to read the instructions before operating this, because you know what I mean, you could easily harm, and be careful, you know, don't play around. This could be very sharp, and you got these little things here to get you going, like if you want to engrave something, and it's great. You even see like here, like say if you want a cat, you got a dog, you can do your own marking, you know. And this is cordless. I got it charged on my power bank. You know, your power bank don't come with it, but this is the cord that comes with it. But I'll give you a quick look. And she won't start while she's there charging. Here's the up, you know, lower, on, off right here. It fits in the hand right nice, and you know, but I'll unplug it. And this, you just press right here. You hear it? I got it on high speed, but you see it now. But you just, you know, and then you would normally engrave it and hold it in, like even in here you would. That's a great machine. I can, you know. Oh yeah, on, but but anyway, wherever you're watching from, have a great morning, great evening, and thank you for watching my video review. Thank you.
Today I'm testing out the TOOLSPACE cordless engraver. This is where you power it on, and then you can increase the speed by pressing down here, or decreasing by pressing down here. So I'm just going to use one of the stencils and a promo glass that I was given at one point to test it out. I'm just going to also use a Sharpie to outline, because since I'm working on curved glass and this stencil isn't very flexible, I feel like it would be easier for me to use a Sharpie to outline first and then to cut it out. Okay, so I've just done a 1, 2, 3. The 3 kind of bled, but it's all good. And I'm wearing my safety goggles as I do this. I'm just going to power it on. Alright, so I'm just going to clean this up and see how well it worked. Okay, so I've cleaned up the glass with paper towel and rubbing alcohol. This is the end result. It's a little jagged at the moment, definitely not gifting quality. But hopefully that'll get better with time and more practice. I would say that using the tool, it was jumpy while I was using it. So I'm not sure if that's something I will get used to or if that's just the way it is, but we'll see with a little more practice. I'll probably use the metal blanks that they've included to try on a different surface, just because like I know using glass in general, because of the curved surface, is a little more difficult to work with. So we'll see how it works on a flat surface. And yeah, like right now, it's okay, but not excellent, but we'll see how it gets.
Just a quick video on the Dremel. Now, we ordered this specific for Halloween for pumpkin carving, and it was very, very useful for the such. It's got a good weight to it. Battery's generally pretty good. Let's see if I can get a zoom on that. Got a good speed. You can vary it, change it here. I'll go down. We'll just do a nice slow 1. Turn it back on. Nice and slow. So it does have the speed changes. Again, cordless. Our battery's pretty low because we did a lot of pumpkins with it. Few complaints. Well, USB charged is great. Appreciate it. Not being tethered by a cord when using a Dremel is also great. It was a little hard swapping the bits out. I wish this was a quick release. And some of these are pretty flimsy, so you're going to want to be pretty careful with them. We had a couple of them explode on us.
some of the cutter ones down in the bottom, the rock ones, polishers and stuff. But overall, like if you're trying to do pumpkins or some fine woodwork, it's a good little set. Being cordless, I didn't really find any points until it absolutely was dead in the battery that it would work pretty consistent. As I said, a little hard to swap out the bits at times, but overall, it was excellent for it. And anyone doing jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween and wanting to put that extra special touch on it, this thing's fantastic.